How to put a stop loss on Charles Schwab. Hello investors, today I guide you through the process of setting up a stop loss on Charles Schwab. This feature is essential for managing risk in your portfolio, ensuring you can sell your stock automatically if it falls to a certain price. Let's get started. First, log into your Charles Schwab account via the website or the mobile app. Once logged in, click on the Trade app at the top of the screen, and this is where you can place orders and manage your investments. In the trading window, select the stock you want to set a stop loss for. Enter the symbol for the stock in the appropriate field. Next, choose Sell as your action, and then select Stop or Stop Limit from the Order Type drop-down. Enter the stop price, and this is the price at which you want the order to be triggered. So if the stock reaches this certain price, it will automatically be sold. Finally, review your order carefully, so ensure that all the details are correct, and then click Place Order to activate your stop loss. And there you have it, you've successfully set a stop loss on Charles Schwab. This tool is a great way to protect your investments from sudden market drops. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more financial tips. See you in the next video.